What actually happens inside your body if you go 100 hours without food? Many people are unaware of the remarkable transformations that occur during prolonged fasting. Today, let's explore, step by step, the hour-by-hour science of what happens during a 100-hour fast. First 14 hours. In the first 14 hours, two important processes take place. First, your digestion is completed. Since your body is no longer breaking down food, energy is redirected toward healing and repair, especially in the brain, the gut, and the liver. This is called energy diversion. Second, your insulin levels begin to fall. With lower insulin, your body starts to shift from storing fat to burning fat. 16 to 17 hours. By 16 to 17 hours, a fascinating process known as autophagy begins. Autophagy is your body's cellular cleanup system, removing damaged proteins and dysfunctional components. Think of it as a natural recycling mechanism that helps protect against disease and supports longevity. Cure 24 hours. After 24 hours, your gut microbiome begins to reset. Beneficial bacteria thrive while harmful ones are reduced. At this point, fat burning intensifies, especially around stubborn areas such as belly fat and love handles. Ketones rise significantly, providing energy to the brain and reducing inflammation throughout the body. 48 hours. By the 48-hour mark, your brain undergoes a major reset. Dopamine receptors, the sites that regulate pleasure and motivation, become resensitized. This means your mood, focus, and mental clarity can improve significantly. Your 72 hours without food triggers one of the most powerful effects of fasting: immune system regeneration. Scientific studies show that fasting for 3 days can help your body recycle old immune cells and produce new ones, strengthening your defense against infections. 100 hours. Finally, at 100 hours, your body activates stem cell production. Stem cells are the body's master repair cells, capable of regenerating tissues and promoting healing. While some people pay thousands of dollars for stem cell therapies, your body can naturally activate them through prolonged fasting. In just 100 hours without food, your body undergoes extraordinary transformations, healing, cleansing, regenerating, and strengthening itself. Of course, fasting for extended periods should be done with proper guidance and medical supervision, but when done safely, the benefits are remarkable.